Hey, oh, there's my cat. Wow, they're always just bouncing around. Anyways, I just got back from my dad's house. Yeah, my parents are divorced, blah, 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 blah. Don't mind my mess of a head. But, what was I gonna say? Oh, but, I was just with my niece, and she's a wild little thing. Anyways, I just wanted to stop by and say hello. I'm very, very cold right now because, one, I'm wearing short sleeves and it's freezing, and it's, March, 3rd. And I'm in Michigan. Somewhere. And I have, of course, a blizzard. What up? Ah! That did not work as well as it did in the store. Don't tell my mom. What do I do? Holy... I gotta clean this up. Do I, like, eat it? Can I put it back in the thing? I will. Don't try this at home. Oh, sweet dear Jesus. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Most of it. Now it's on my pants. Now how do I get this off? Look. Just a second. No, God. My sister just texted me from upstairs. Why do messes always happen right here? On camera? Really? Like, I really thought that was gonna happen. Because you know how they always flip it in the store or whatever. And it never comes out like that. It's not supposed to come out like that. It's a blizzard. My gosh. I mean, come on. What kind of blizzard are you if you just fall out? Whatever. I feel really stupid now because it didn't happen for me. Crap. Ah, now it's gonna be sticky up in this business. For real? Whatever. There's still some in the keyboard. Well, now what do I do with it? I wanted to eat it. Let's move this. Dang it. Ew. Maybe it'll just like dry up. Don't tell my mom, don't tell my mom, don't tell my mom. Mom, please tell me you're not watching. If you are, I'm really, really sorry. I'll get it out. I'll pay for a new keyboard or something. Ooh! I just got it out. Look. You see that little white line? I'll re-show you. This one. Where is it? This one right here. That's lizard. So, yeah. So, anyways, I took my North Face, by the way, and I told you I was cold, blah, 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 blah. But, because I wanted to make sure you guys knew that I wasn't wearing the same thing I was last time I talked to you. Oh, dear God. Just a second. Seriously, though, if you're still watching me, then you're either some kind of stalker or you know I'm going to do something fun after this whole mess. Or at least you think I do. Or I will, or something. Oh my God, it's so cold. Harry Potter, represent! Anyway. Whatchamacallit. Now it's on my pants, look. Oh, well. That'd be great if it was on this side. So, you want to go through my contacts? Right. I have Haley, Jazz, Mom, Jay, Aaron, Amir, Anne Marie, Autumn, Brianne, Charlie, which is my sister Rebecca, Kobe, Daquan, Dad, Dakari, D, Emma, my stepmom, my brother Russell, Jacob, Justin. Was that my dog? No? Okay. Justin, Carne, Kayla Boja. I mean, Kayla, the other Kayla, Keith, Kenny, Kyle, Lily, my own phone number, my godmother, Rachel, the other Rachel, not me, Shannon, Stacy, Stephanie, Sydney, Trevor, and yeah, that's about it. And if you're not in there, then you might as well give me your number or something. This is 7 minutes long, 7:40. So if you're still watching this, then I'm sorry I wasted 7 minutes and 50 seconds of your life.